And you know what time it is before I leave the junkyard. It looks like they are selling the damn Audi, and it won't start 2500. We got a CRV in here. Oh, what is this? A Volvo, what is it, 850 S70? V70. But automatic. It looks pretty decent. 15K, that's not bad. I'm not gonna hold you. Got the Lexus truck in here. Other than that, that's all the cars they got. That's pretty good. All right, after a long process of getting the majority of the shit out the trunk, I can show you that my relay that hasn't been working too well, it's right here. So match the numbers up. These two are the same. So I'm gonna plug this relay in, and then well, hopefully you guys got that. But I plugged the relay in, and now we're going into the car. And the seats work. That's 10 out of 10. Let me see. So that's good. All right, so boom, the seat relay has been installed, and it works perfectly fine. Both seats move. I was kind of skeptical because it came out of a vehicle that only had one electric seat, and then the other one was manual where you had to use your hand. But it fit like a glove, obviously. And I start the car up, move the passenger seat, because that's the one that I needed to adjust a lot, because nobody's really in the captain's chair. That's me. And everything worked out, 10 out of 10. So we're going to go ahead and put everything back. And thank you for watching. Enjoy your day.